Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shared Google Drive folder that you can share with as many people as you want. So let's right jump into it. So before jumping in, make sure to check the link in the description box. First, go to your Google Drive, search for Google Drive on your PC. uh, Google Drive, then tap enter. So log into your Google Drive. Let me sign in to my Google Drive with. So as I'm in my Google Drive, you can see all the files and folders I already have. For example, this one. Now to create a new folder, just right click anywhere on the screen and wait, or you can just tap onto new at the top left corner here and tap into new folder. Now enter the name of your new folder. For example, I'm gonna enter my new name, folder's name, like anything like sheet, then tap create. Where the spelling is a little wrong, then tap sheet and now create. So as you can see, my new folder is now created. So go ahead and name the folder as I just did. So there you go, the folder is ready. Now you have to open up the new folder, and I mean on this folder like this sheet, and you can upload any files you want here. For example, go to the files you want to share. So I wanna add this one. So just like if you want multiple files to share to your Google Drive, just select all of them and then drag them to your Google Drive folder and then just paste them here. And as you can see, they are being uploaded. As you can see, they just start uploading immediately. So give it a couple of seconds and boom, as you can see, your files are uploaded. So now let's move forward to the next step, which is basically let's share this folder to the person you want to share. So click on the folder name at the top. Let me find the name. Okay, here you can see this folder name at the top. Right click as I just did. Let me show you again. Just tap onto the folder name, then right click, and there you will find two options you can add, like tap on to share, and then you can add like specific people or groups by typing in their email address here. Or if you want to make it easier, click anyone with the link, like tap onto this anyone with the link, then you just have to copy the link and share with the person you want to share this, or just simply, and then just simply tap done. So this is more simpler way. Then choose the level of access you want to give, like go again to right click on it and then tap on to share, then share, and then you can tap on to settings. Also you can tap on to limit access to sheet. Okay, like this just limits the viewer access to visit the sheet. And you can also add some extra things like commenter or editor. So if you tap editor, they can organize, add, edit, and even delete files. And if you want to add commenter, they can leave comments. Also viewers, like they can only view the files. Let me show you again. Just go to share option, right click on it, then from there you can tap onto viewer, and from there you can edit as you want. Then you have to just tap onto done. So once you have chosen the permission, just click copy link like this as I told you. Then tap onto the copy link option and then just share it. Now you can send that link to your group, chat, team members, friends, whoever you want. Remember, people will only have access to this folder and any subfolders inside it. They would not be able to see your entire Google Drive, just what you have shared. Like they just can see this sheet only. and they cannot view other sheets like this one, so don't worry about that. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can easily create a shared Google Drive folder. And so thanks for watching, and if this video is helpful, also if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a future video. I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, take care and goodbye. Wait, let me check this out. Shit.